So, peke to, peke. Fake. So, fake to. Yon, what's up? Papa Dan TV in the house. So, nandito na naman tayo at magre-react ng dito sa mga creepy, no? Dito tayo magre-react ng mga nakakatakot na videos. So, titingnan natin kung totoo o hindi ito. Actually, hindi tayo naniniwala sa ganito. So, re-reactionan lang natin sila. So, let's go. Let's go. Dito tayo sa YouTube. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nooks Top 5. Medyo sikat to kasi marami siya talaga mga views. So, pipiliin natin ito nasa top. So, let's go.
Paranormal enthusiast James White has a very spooky business. He professionally arranges and hosts seances in allegedly haunted and abandoned buildings in Toronto, Canada. James is hosting a seance at the historic Lambton House with a group of curious participants. The Lambton House is a former inn that was built in 1860, and it is said to be extremely haunted.
Parang ano siya ng mga cowboy, ano? Cowboy.
Now, James White and his group are about to witness something absolutely terrifying.
So Norman, someone in this room is trying to harm you? Is it a person? If so, give me a sign. Are they in this room? Is it a male?
They hold him back. He like his chair to backward.
Why did you chair to back?
I did not move it.
Oh, something just pulled.
Yeah.
Keep your hands together.
Pinost ko, no? Ang weird lang, bigla siyang nahatak dun sa may gilid. Hindi ko makikita niyo lang. Siguro isusum ko na lang. Pero nagulat isa yung nahatak siya. So, hindi ko alam kung sinadya niya para matakot yung iba, no? Kasama niya. So, panoorin ulit natin.
Keep your hands together.
Did we grab him as soon as he fell back?
Do not break. Okay,
It did break when he fell though, because he went that far back.
Okay, so did somebody actually pull your chair?
Yeah, like he tipped backwards.
Somebody pulled your chair?
Yes.
While in the middle of a seance, one participant is forcefully yanked backwards out of his chair by an unseen force.
Kasi itong lalaki na to, lumingon na siya eh. Siguro nagsinyasan na, no? Para lang maging kakaiba yung meeting nila.
Is it a male?
Halata eh. Halata na tinulak niya yung sarili niya. Parang sinipa niya para... So, peke to, peke.
The door behind me was open. And I had my partner sitting beside me, and we had the door, like the door was open behind us, and we thought we heard something back there, but nothing was there. So we turned, and I looked, and I saw nothing. So I turned my head back towards the group, like the circle, and we're all holding hands. And then all of a sudden, I just felt like this force just come and pull me back, and it was like aggressive. It wasn't like calm, it was aggressive, like it was trying to kill me or something. I don't even know.
Yeah.
My feet were like flat on the ground. I wasn't moving. I was holding hands with the people beside me, and it just pulled me. And it like felt like someone was coming up behind me, like standing up behind me as I'm sitting in the chair, and like taking my shoulders and like pulling me towards the mirror. It was crazy.
Fellow participants and eyewitnesses from the seance took to Instagram to share their stories about the incident. One seance witness had this to say about the strange...
Hinatak ka na eh, no? Tapos parang andun ka pa rin. Kasi kung iba yung reaction yan. Pag hinatak, pupunta na yan sa gitna, mag-hysterical ka na eh, no? Pero ikaw nag-stay ka pa rin dun sa pwesto mo. So, weird.
event. I sat across from him.
Parang tinitingnan mo pa. Ano yun? Eh, wala nang tao dyan eh.
fantastic to see. Another witness says, "I was there." Another epic seance with @JamesWhite Seance. So did James White capture evidence of an unknown entity aggressively grabbing an innocent visitor?
Kasi di ba yung initial reaction ng taong hinatak, magugulat ka bakit may nanghatak, lalo na siguro madilim tong lugar na to. Nakakatakot yun. Pero sa parang ano nangyari, may matak. Fake.
At the Lambton
Fake
house?
siya, fake.
I leave it up to you to decide.
Is it a male?
Scream. YouTube channel D's Dark Adventures says that an anonymous fan emailed her about a very creepy experience he had while driving home late one night. The dash cam video shows the man driving down an isolated country road in the middle of nowhere. Suddenly, he spots something that makes his blood run cold.
Nakakatakot yung ganitong sitwasyon na nagdadrive ka mag-isa sa dilim, no? Medyo creepy nga to, creepy to. Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung makakasalubong mo, makaka-encounter mo sa ganitong sitwasyon eh. So, tuloy natin. Naranasan ko na to yung mga ganitong daan, ganitong kalsada. Creepy talaga to, kung tutusin.
Excuse me, you need help? What the?
Ayun, creepy yun. Creepy talaga yun. Pero hindi siya creepy dahil multo. Creepy kasi mamaya, di ba may gawin na hindi maganda yung makakasalubong mo na ganun, tas hihintuan mo. So, posibleng hindi siya totoo. Baka kakilala lang rin nila yun, sinetap lang. Kasi kung ikaw, ihinto ka ba sa gitna ng ganito, tapos may nakita kang babae naglalakad, dire-diretso mo na yun. So, lang yun ya. Yung utak lang ng tao na hayaan mo na, huwag mo nang balikan. So, fake to. Kakilala nila yan.
The driver suddenly spots a woman walking all by herself in the middle of the night. As he gets closer, he is horrified when he sees that the woman is covered in blood. Worried for her safety, he rolls down his window and asks her if she needs help.
Excuse me, you need help?
After which, he lets out a blood-curdling scream.
What the?
At this point, the man notices that the
Pero creepy yan. Creepy. Mamaya kasi yung mga, alam mo yun, ihintuan mo tapos may gagawin sa'yo yung hindi maganda. So yun yung nakakatakot doon, pero yung sisigaw lang sa'yo tapos parang hihintuan mo, hindi maganda yung itsura. Di ba? Parang ang weird. So kilala nila to, posible na trip lang nila to.
woman appears to have no eyes, only black sockets. Terrified by her
Hihintuan mo yun. Walang mata. Di ba?
reaction and appearance, the driver quickly just gets out of there. He says that he called the police, but they never
Mga ginagawa talaga ng tao, may masabi lang.
found this mysterious woman. So just what do you think is going on here? And what would you do in this same situation?
Ang gagawin ko, hindi ko hihintuan yun. Siguro mag-isip lang yun. Pero for safety, hindi ko hihintuan yung mga ganun. So creepy yun.
The woman in white. Nuke's Top 5 viewer and paranormal investigator Mark Reyes emailed me about a video that he captured with his family while on a ghost hunt at the Evangelical Spiritual Church in Cicero, Illinois. The church was once used as a funeral home and is said to be extremely haunted. It's the middle of the night and Rick and his family are investigating the church when suddenly their EMF meter detects something that they can't see.
Usually, yung mga nag-ghost hunt, ano yan eh, medyo hindi rin ako naniniwala sa mga ganito kasi kadalasan sa kanila scripted. Ginagawa nilang mas nakakatakot para mas marami silang viewers.
What happens next is truly chilling.
Are you afraid? That room over there is scary. Have you seen it? This one. Come here. This one. This is a private.
May nagpakita na eh, no? Para may babae sa likod.
It's open because we could.
Yan, hindi naman. Yung scene kanina, parang nakita ko na eh. Yung meron dun babae sa bandang dulo. Tapos kunyari binababa, tapos nung babalik, inangat ulit para makita. Chinek siguro kung alis ka na, ganun. Parang sinenyas na siguro na, alis ka na. Babalik na namin yung camera. Doon ko na to eh. Kung tama ako, kung yun nga yun, yung nakita ko.
A woman
Ayan.
can be seen standing behind the family on the
Ayan.
of the church. Ricky says that his daughter felt a presence as she looked back, but that none of them actually saw the
Tapos nung na parang binababa, siguro sinisenyasan nila na umalis na.
mysterious woman at the time. It wasn't until they returned home that they discovered what they had captured. So could this eerie figure possibly be the spirit of one of the people who passed through the funeral
Fake
home?
yan, fake.
Let me know what you think. We need scary videos, so if you see something that you think would be perfect for the top 5, send it to us at Nukestop.
Tutuloy ko pa ba to? Kasi parang ano, di ba? Parang halos lahat fake.
5@gmail.com. The Burial Mounds. Paranormal
Ay,
investigation
ito.
from the YouTube channel Midwest.
Etong tao na to, isa sa mga loko-loko rin to eh. Marami rin napapaniwala to eh. Pero ako hindi. Kasi halos lahat ng video niya sobrang aggressive yung mga multo. So hindi totoo.
Ghost Hunter is back with another investigation. This time at the mysterious Native American burial mound.
Ang sobrang magpapakita talaga sa lahat ng camera niya. Lahat ng angulo ng camera niya nagpaparamdam. So weird yun. Halatang hindi totoo.
At the Crow Wing River in Minnesota. Many people claim to have experienced terrifying paranormal activity at the burial mounds. Some have heard the strange sound of phantom drums and disembodied voices, and some visitors even claim that they have seen glowing apparitions at the site. Curious about the claims, Ian decides to do an overnight investigation in the hopes of capturing paranormal evidence. Things quickly take a very creepy turn as Ian searches for one of the burial mounds.
Man, walking through these woods, I feel like anything could just pop out at me right now. Like, from anywhere. Bears, Bigfoot.
Pero yung ganitong style ng pag-ghost hunt mo yun nasa gubat ka. Creepy talaga yan. Kasi marami kang pwedeng makasalubong dyan eh. Lalo na sa kanila, may mga bear dyan, may mga hayop na pababangis, no? So, delikado to.
Foot, ghosts, anything.
Pero ghost.
Okay. I don't know if I'm going crazy. I thought I heard something behind me. Hello? Who's over there? I don't know, maybe I'm just paranoid. I thought I heard something, but I'm not sure. Ooh, ooh. Okay. All right. Okay, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm not going crazy. I don't know. I don't know if I should try this, but I'm gonna try walking backwards because I want to see what's coming up behind me.
Pero tingin ko itong taong to hindi rin naniniwala sa multo to eh. Ginagamit niya lang to para may mga views. May mga views siya.
Honestly, I don't even like walking backwards because I don't know what's ahead of me. Is there somebody out here with me? Oh my God! Holy shit! That scared me so bad. That was a straight up fall.
Diba? Napaka-aggressive ng mga multo sa video na itong tao na ito. Nakaka-ano rin siya, nakaka-entertain din panoorin.
From thin air.
May sumigaw. Tatayo ka lang. Kahit sino ka pa, kahit gaano ka pa katapang na tao, pagka may gumanong tatakbo ka talaga.
It was as if somebody was standing like right there. Hello?
Ian hears footsteps following him. Then he hears a loud, indiscernible voice. He's now a little freaked out, but he continues his search until he finally finds one of the Native American burial mounds. What happens next is truly disturbing.
All right, here's mound number 2. I'm actually not going to say anything this time. I'm actually just going to listen.
Tingnan mo nung sinabi niya, hindi kami nagsasalita. Sumusunod nga sa kanya yung mga multo. Loko-loko yun. Nung sinabi niya hindi na raw siya magsasalita, makikinig na lang siya. Yung mga nagkwentuhan na yung mga multo dyan. Ang kulit.
Oh my God, I'm hearing all kinds of things over here. It sounds like voices, but they're so faint.
Mga kalokohan. Fake talaga.
A female voice can be heard speaking almost as if someone at the burial mound is having a long, involved conversation. But it's something else that really spooks Ian as he explores the Crowing River's edge. Something truly terrifying.
Even though there's
Tingnan mo sa isang vlog lang, ang dami nagpaparamdam, no?
not much going on right now, it's a lot of fun just being out here. Out in the wilderness. Even though it's dark, I can barely see 10 feet ahead of me. Holy shit. Just when I said it was fun being out here. Pretty sure that was a goose back there, splashing in the water.
Of all things, Ian's biggest scare so far comes from the sudden sound of a honking goose.
Yung mga nagkukwentuhan, di siya nagulat, pero dito sa bibe, nagulat siya eh. Hindi. Ewan ko kung scripted na yun o hindi.
Eventually, Ian finds another
Loko-loko
burial
yun.
mound. Now, Ian knows that he might not be able to communicate in English with the spirits of the Native Americans buried there. So, he decides to just listen. What happens next is truly bizarre.
Okay, I just start talking. That sounded like a male voice.
Puro ganyan yan yun. Yung mga video niya, puro ganyan.
Could you speak again?
Edit.
God.
Edit na edit.
Dude, that was a face! I just seen a face! That was a glowing face.
Kanina sa may sa may BP, nagulat siya, pero dito parang edit na edit yung mga katarantaduhan na ito. Kaya ko rin gawin yan eh.
Oh my God, I cannot believe that. Dude, his face just appeared right there.
Sa bibi nagulat, sa mukha hindi. Natuwa pa. Tarantado.
Right there. Oh my God, that was one of the craziest things I've ever seen. It's one thing to see a light.
Marami nang gumagawa ng ganong edit eh, yung ganong mukha. Marami na ako nakita, so loko-loko, sinungaling.
A mist, even a shadow, but a face? A face! It looked like a man, too. It looked like a Native American man.
Ian hears another low voice speaking from somewhere nearby. A pale face then quickly appears and disappears from right out of the darkness.
Laki
Ian
ng
is
mga.
shocked by what he has captured and deems his paranormal investigation a huge success. So did Ian capture the voices and face of lingering Native American spirits buried at the Crow-Wing River? Let me know what you think. You can watch this entire investigation and many more spooky adventures over on the YouTube channel Midwest Ghost Hunter.
So siguro okay na yan. Wala akong nakitang tunay. So fake lahat. So kung meron kayong may re-recommend sa akin na totoong video, comment nyo lang. So ganda na lang. So let's go. Kita-kits ulit sa susunod na episode. Let's go.